Make sure you're lining up your shot every time.
Right when I get
Well, I told you this.
Put the laser on the target.
I know, I try to find it.
Oh, that's close.
Oh, he was super excited.
About a 50 cal Desert Eagle.
Ooh.
Racing.